Make a great choice today with the 2018 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, navigation system, stability control, backup camera, trip computer, trip odometer, tachometer, rear view camera. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.